Very nice. Oh, super cool. We're here at the farm. One more.
Horses over here.
Ready to learn. Good job, boys and girls. I'm Miss Angie for staying quiet while I'm standing here. While you're walking around on the farm, you can talk as much as you like, but right now, thank you for listening quietly and respectfully, so you can know how to stay safe on our awesome farm.
What are you building? What are you building over there? What is that? What's going on? There is a chicken coop. There's a chicken coop.
I almost the worms. It's so cold.
You need some eggs in there?
They used to have the worms.
Going on a hayride.
Okay.
Going on a hayride.
Animal on the farm because she makes something for breakfast. You guys know what it is? Eggs. I like the hands up in the air too, right? Eggs are delicious and they're super good for you and they're even better for you if the chickens are eating healthy things. Well, what is a chicken supposed to eat? Better. So when we weed the garden over here, we pull all those weeds out. I like to give, so most farmers don't name their chickens. For field trips, we've gotten a lot of kids who want to name her Sugar.
Oh, Lord Jesus, don't do that again.
Jamari,
Oh, nice.
and Daniel.
And that's kind of what feeds the plants. And if the bees did not do that, we would not have food. Man has not learned how to do that, how to copy that.
Look, can we have some? We're starting our garden.
Liberty.
Really?
Yes, we have
Liberty.
like.
Look at me.
Babe, you are brave.
Oh, gross.
Oh, we gotta go now. Yeah. All right,
Look
Liberty.
at him. Get off. Oh, gross. Wow.
We said water. Yes? What do plants come out of? Yes? Seeds, yes. So we need the seeds so that the plants can, of course, grow out of it. We need good soil and good worms, like Miss Kathy was telling you, so that they have plenty of nutrients. You need sun so that they can make the sugars they need to grow. And you also
This is mint. Here,
You
here,
want
here.
chew on
Anything
mint?
you want.
I need
Now
it.
don't swallow it. Just you can chew on it.
You know, I put this in our infused water.
I didn't hear
Oh,
you, but
that's
I
right.
think
Do you want a little piece and you can take the mint. Mint will take over your whole garden.
Oh.
And you just chew it. Don't bite it, okay?
Mint
I mean, don't
really
swallow it. Is
beginner.
what I
You
mean.
What do you think? What do you think? Try it.
Here, look, George. Watch. Look. I'm not gonna swallow it. I'm just gonna taste it.
She said,
I'm gonna take it out.
Okay, and you guys are going to take turns coming up and brushing ice. So a couple of rules: you don't want to walk behind the pony. Do you guys know why that might be?
It'll kick you.
And she's only.
So I think I want to say she's
I
around
learned how to
12
forgot
or
about
13
that.
weeks.
Okay.
I don't want to get
All
too.
right. Let's see ya. You gotta brush them.
How we take care of ice.
She likes that. I bet she's got
Wonder
the
if you
slickest
brush it
coat.
long enough, you're gonna get some
Yeah.
waves.
This morning she was nice and dirty. She was rolling around in the dirt.
So the lady asked if we wanted to work here. We said we're gonna own the farm.
Own the farm. We
Own the
work at
farm. Own it.
Been there, done that.
Ownership. Let's go.
So here's a question for you. Do apple trees have flowers?
No.
Excuse me, think of the life cycle of the apple. Okay. Do peach trees have flowers?
Yes.
Okay, what about watermelon vines? Do they have flowers?
No.
Sure they do. How about tomato plants? Have you ever seen little yellow flowers on tomato plants? Okay. So most of the fruits and vegetables that we love to eat depend on bees in order to make their fruit. Whether that's in a hollow tree out in the woods, and some bees live out in the woods in a hole in a tree. We have these fancy homes for them that we call beehives. But in every colony, there are 3 types of bees. There are drone bees, and these are the boy bees. There are queen bees. Are queens boys or girls?
Girl.
Queens are girls, kings are boys. So she is a girl, and her job is to lay eggs. That is all she is made for, is to lay hundreds of thousands of eggs.
Is there multiple queens or just one?
What's the boy?
In the hive.
If an egg hatches another queen in a colony, they will kill they'll kill the new queen.
Oh,
There can
wow.
only be one queen per hive, so they just naturally cull any queen eggs, any queen bees out.
Wow.
That's a good question.
Because that's the nucleus of the
Yeah.
colony, and that's her job is to fill each cell with an egg. So
Got
good
it.
question. All right, and then what?
And her body is making milk to feed that baby. She doesn't even have to go to the grocery store to get her milk, boys and girls. Her body makes it because she's a mammal, just like I'm a mammal and you're a mammal. So when we were born, boys and girls, we were ready for milk. And we didn't hatch out of an egg, right? We're not a bird. So we're a mammal, and when we were born, we needed our mother's milk to live. And that's what our nanny goat is doing right now.
Look at the Dutch.
You want to go over there? Okay, let's go.
Liberty wasn't feeling no goat. I ain't mad at her. Wow. That's a rooster.
So loud and noisy.
Yeah, what sound does a rooster make? How y'all doing? Y'all ain't gotta worry about us. We ain't gonna do nothing to you. Don't even worry about it. But if it was 2 years ago, I might have ended up in between a biscuit. Oh, sorry.
Y'all, we had so much fun at this farm. It was such a great experience. Don't you agree, babe?
It was.
Yeah, I was trying to steal it from my grade level, but Libby just said, not gonna happen. But at any rate, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this amazing farm experience.
Vlog.
Yeah, this farm vlog.
Yep.
And until the next one, this is
Marvin.
Amber, and Liberty's on her way back to school, and
Yep.
we're with the family. Oh.
Peace.
All right, you guys, so we have Spirit Night at our school today, and kindergarten is hosting at our school. So, of course, since Liberty is in kindergarten, we decided to come. So, y'all, we used to love Chick-fil-A before we were vegan. As a matter of fact, that was really the only fast food place that we would frequent at times. And so, when we come now, people always ask, well, what do you eat when you come to Chick-fil-A? So they have this really delicious superfood salad that has like kale and broccoli in it. It has some cranberries, and you can get like this roasted nut blend that is so delicious. Yeah, and of course, fries, potatoes. So that's pretty much what we get. You can also get fruit. In the morning, we get hash brown or bagel, plain bagel, and put like jam on it. So you can kind of like life hack and still enjoy Chick-fil-A without really being able to enjoy Chick-fil-A.
Well, we can't wait till they make the vegan chicken biscuits.
That would be awesome.
Peace out.